This channel is 7 months old, 200 videos, over 44 million views. Nobody in it has ever shown their face. Estimated earnings last month, $27,000. This one, $10,000 a month. They don't shoot, they don't edit, they don't write scripts. And none of them existed a year ago. And they all share the exact same secret. I spent 2 weeks pulling these channels apart. I tested a bunch of AI tools, threw away most of them and found one tool that can actually turn a single idea into a full-long documentary video. And right now we are going to build one of these videos completely from scratch, live on screen. So I spent a lot of time testing platforms that claim they make faceless YouTube videos quickly and without burning a hole in your budget, and most of them failed. The first platform I tried was an easy pass, but to start with, the pricing was absolutely insane. A single long-form video costs around $100 for one video, which isn't realistic if you want to publish consistently. And the price wasn't even the worst part. The second problem is that they have a waitlist, so you can't just sign up and test the platform. You have to wait. How long? Nobody knows. And the third problem was even bigger, and nobody warns you about it. The videos weren't actually unique. These tools either stitch together the videos everyone else is using, so your video looks identical to 1,000 others, or worse, they pull images off the web that might be copyrighted, or they literally reuse clips for another YouTube videos. And that's a huge risk. You could end up with a copyright claim, a strike, or even get demonetized because your content isn't truly original. What I was looking for was a platform that can generate genuinely unique long-form videos in different formats without relying on reused content. And I found one. And right now I'm going to build a survival niche video from absolute zero in real time. This is Noodletomato, an AI video generation platform built specifically for this kind of channel. Documentary style, faceless, narrated. So step one, and I love that this part is free, the niche finder, and it shows me which channels and topics gets most of views and payouts. This solves the exact problem from earlier, picking the niche that actually pays before you spend months into it. And step two, building the video itself. So let's click get started. Here you need to sign up and everything. So I click create video and just type one sentence here. And that's basically all I have to write. I don't need to create a title because Noodletomato will do it for me. Next I choose the video length. You can choose anything from 1 minute to 2 hours, and I'll go with 20 minutes because it's basically the sweet spot for most documentary videos on YouTube. Now I pick a narrator. You can choose a male or female voice, different accents, languages, or speaking styles. I will now listen to some of them.
A business is only as successful as its people are happy.
And I like this one. You can also choose the video format if you do shorts or TikToks instead of long-form videos. And finally, the brief. You can leave it blank if you don't want, and Noodletomato will decide everything for you in its photorealistic style. But I want to be a little bit more creative here, and I prepared in advance all the prompts, which I made with Claude. So I'll just paste them here right now. And that's basically the entire creative contribution so far. Let's generate and see what happens. A couple minutes later, it proposes me 3 titles and 5 hooks to choose from. In case I don't like them, I can just click regenerate and wait for a new batch. Okay, I like this title and the last hook, and now I just save the concept. Now it writes the entire script, a properly structured story and not a word salad. And once I approve the script, it starts generating visuals that match what being said. First, it creates 3 opening scenes for review, and if you approve them, it starts rendering the full video. But the nice thing is that every scene comes with its prompt, so if something looks off, you can regenerate just this scene as many times as you want. And now you just wait for 15 to 60 minutes until all scenes are generated. Okay, about 45 minutes later, my video is finished, and let's have a look. Okay, looks really nice. Let's listen to the voice, to the narration.
So if your smoothie bowl already has 2 or 3 of these fruits, the bloat isn't random. It's basically built into the recipe. And fruit is only the beginning of what's in that bowl.
Okay, let's be real, what just happened? That's a complete long-form documentary video started from one line of text and finished with a long-form YouTube video and was finished basically in minutes. The work that normally takes hours, research, shooting, editing, writing scripts, finding footage, happened while I was basically sitting and talking here to you. Okay, I also had lunch in the meantime. It also adds subtitles, background music, ambient noises, and everything from just one sentence. You basically choose an idea, download the video, create a thumbnail with ChatGPT or Claude, which are surprisingly good at creating thumbnails, and upload the video to YouTube. And that's it. So the final video is rendered, and honestly, it's insane. It's the same quality as the channels that I showed you above that make about 25k a month. But here is the catch. Nobody can predict the future on day one. So hit that subscribe button right now. I'm letting this exact channel run live, and in the next video I'm opening up the analytics and show you which views this video got and how much money it pulls in. But right now I need your honest take in the comments. Look at the quality of this long-form video. How much do you think a single minute of AI generated video this good should actually cost? Or was the fair monthly price for a tool that completely automates this for you? Drop your number in the comments below. Everything I used in this video is linked below, so you can try this tonight. Subscribe for the results, and I'll see you in the next one.